Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 2021 71 plate MG HS plug-in hybrid. This is the exclusive model in Pimlico blue with the red leather interior. What we'll be doing in this video is just showing you around condition of the vehicle and showing you some of the features it comes with. So as far as condition goes, it's only done 5,000 miles and is just under a year old. So not really any condition to cover, but we'll cover anything if it does pop up. You can see there the alloy design's nice and clean, all the bodywork again nice and tidy. You do have keyless entry here, so if you press that with the key within range, it locks, wing mirrors fold in, and again in reverse they open up. You may have also spotted there you do have camera on each wing mirror as well as front and rear, so you've got full 360 cameras. Next alloy there, you can see no curbing, no wear or tear. Around the front, as I said, you've got 360 cameras, so you don't need any parking sensors around there. So the front end's actually quite nice and tidy, a very clean design. And then to our passenger side alloys, again you can see no issues there. Bodywork all nice and clean again. You've also got the keyless entry on the passenger side too. And then onto the last alloy just before we get to the boot. So just on the rear you do have the boot protector, or the boot step protector there. So if you're loading things in and out, shouldn't damage that. And then you've got 4 parking sensors along the bottom there, and just above the number plate you've got your reverse camera too. So with it being exclusive, you do have a button on there, pops the boot open. And it is electric tailgate on this one, and just while it's doing that there are 2 keys there as well. So I've already put the seats down, so you can see it does go nearly flat, not quite, but it is very close. You're not going to notice anyway. And then you've got this nice rubber boot nut. Underneath the floor you've got your 3-pin charger for obviously the plug-in hybrid battery, and you've also got an inflation kit there and a warning triangle. Just click that back down. There we are. And you've also got the pulley style load cover. So going into the rear, helps if I actually open the vehicle properly, doesn't it? There we are. So into the rear. One of my favourite features in here is the actual seats lock into place, so you can't just come in and lift it up. You actually have to use the tab to move the seat up. And the backrest does have a few different angles, so we'll show that just here. So that's the most vertical angle there. Just see if we can get a bit better view of it there. And then all the way back, again, a bit more recline there. So moving on from there into the front. So you do get electric windows all around, you do get folding wing mirrors, all the sort of bits and pieces you'd expect, along with electric seats. As you get in, you've also got this little slot here, which is a nice place to keep the key. It is keyless start as well as keyless entry. So just press the start button, wait for it to all load up there. Just turn the volume down. So just while that's all loading up, this is all your trip computer controls over here, or inside voice control and a customizable button. Over on this side, you've got all your audio controls, including a dedicated phone control. And then just down here, we've got the mileage, so 5,091. You've also got your range on just fuel on that side, range and just electric over on that side, and then you've got the combined range in the middle there of 62 miles. So obviously we will make sure the vehicle's charged up and it has had a bit of fuel put in before handover. And then just coming behind, you do have your automatic lights up there. You've got your cruise control, which is adaptive in here, and you've also got lane keep assist on the end there, your set button on the end of that one. And then over here you've got your intermittent wiper settings, so you can adjust that with that dial in the middle there. Then moving to the centre screen, so it's nice and laid out, so you've got your radio, navigation, and then all your aircon settings there. So the first thing they'll open up is the nav, so straight open there, doesn't take very long, and there's our location, Northgate. There's also these little shortcut keys down here, so we're going to go back to home with that one. And you've got radio, obviously it'll show you different ways of connecting your devices up if you connect them in. So it'll sort of register them as you hit them. You've then got all the climate settings, including your heated seats up there. And just back onto home, one last thing, you do get CarPlay. You do also have the 360 camera there, which there is a shortcut button for down here as well. So you can see, it's a nice layout. Then just while we're down here, you have this little area, 2 USBs and a 12-volt power outlet. Got all your gear shifter for your auto gearbox, so you've got reverse, neutral, park and drive, park being the button on top with a little unlock button on the side. You've got your pure EV mode, your boot opening switch there, 360 camera shortcut, and you've got a few little buttons just down here to do with your electronic parking brake, brake hold function, and you've got your hill descent control, and a couple of cup holders, a little bit of storage underneath. So if there is anything I've missed in this video, any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact with us, and we'll see what we can do to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.